Hello everyone, welcome to K-TechService with Attendem. Today I'll be showing you how to log in remotely with your EC2 instance if you are a Mac user. So the first thing I'll do is to sign into your console, your AWS console, and log into EC2. And here, want to launch an instance, and I'll show you how to actually connect. So you go to where it says launch an instance and you click on it. And here you want to put the name of the instance. Let's say you want to call it web server. And here we're going with the first one, the AWS Linux 2. There are different types, but that's just our preferred. We'll leave everything as default and we will want to create a key. So to create a key, you go to create a new key and just leave it the way it is and you create the key. You have to put a name. So let me say I want to call this key web 1. That's the name I want to give for the key. And I'll say create key. Once I create a key, it is downloaded and it is on my download folder. The next thing I want to do is just to launch this instance. So once this instance is launched, I say view all instances and I should be able to see this instance. It is in the pending stage. So once it leaves the pending state, it will go to the running state. So let's wait for this instance to actually show that it is on and running. So once it is on and running, we want to click on this and it says instance state running. Let's try to click here again. Okay, so the instance is running. So I'll click on this checkbox and here I'll see the IP address, the private IP address and the public IP address, and the instance state is running and some basic information. Here, I'm just showing you how to log remotely. We're not talking about AWS. In our next video, we'll give in some basic rundown of what AWS is all about and its services. So now, since we want to connect to our Mac, we click on here that says connect. Like I told you, this is an EC2 user. This is how you know the name to use to log in. You could connect directly by just hitting this and it takes you to the web interface and you are connected through the web browser. You just hit this, you connected to the web browser. And another way you could also connect from Mac is by using the SSH client. So this is it. This is a command you need. Just copy this and paste in your command line and you should be able to log in. So it says open an SSH client, locate your private key. The key used to launch this instance is web1.pem. Run this command if necessary to ensure your key is not publicly viewable. Once you run this, connect your instance using its public DNS. Then example. This is the example on how to connect this instance here. So let's follow these instructions and see if we will want to do it the same way. So I will go to AWS. My Mac has a command line that is found in order. So you come here and you click on terminal. So I'm logging in my Mac terminal. So I will just follow the instructions that I see there. So the first thing that says is open an SSH client. Locate your key. So let's locate our key. If I do a pwd, I'm in user attendant. And if I do an ls, I see information. If I do ls-la, I see this .ssh. So this .ssh should be where this key is saved. Let's see if that's true. And that's a directory. So I'll cd in .ssh and I hit enter. And I'll do an ls. ls-l. Okay, this is a file attempting. Let me cut that file and see what is in there. Cut known host. What's this? This actually my key. Okay, so let me see. Let me see in my downloads. LS. Okay, it's downloads. This is there. That's what I know. Okay, this is it. This is the web 1 pen. You see, it's on my download. You know, when you download something, it is on. It goes to the download folder. Now the next step says locate your key. Key used to launch this inside is web1.pem. Yeah. Run this command if necessary to ensure your key is not publicly viewable. So let me run this command, guys. Just copy that. Yeah, run that command. Let me go to the next one. The next one says connect in your instance using the public disk. So this is it. I'll just run this command. It's SSH web. So you must not see web1.pem. So whatsoever key you created will have the name of the key. Then this is just giving you the EC to your user you are trying to connect and the IP address. Then you know we're using AWS. That's why you see this information. Now, just come here and do Command V and I hit enter. It asks me, are you sure you want to continue connecting? I'll say yes. And guess what, guys? I'm connected to AWS. Now I'm connected. I'm logging. So here, if I want to go to root, I do sudo -i. You hit enter, and I'm now root. Remember, you need to CD in your download folder. Let me do a history for you to actually see. Okay, there's nothing here. So you need to be on your, you need to CD on your download folder. See, I CD. Yeah, I CD on my download folder. From there, I did an ls. See, I ran an ls and I was able to see the key. Where's that key? I was able to see the key that I downloaded. So once you download a key, it's saved on your download folder. So you need to go to the download folder. Once you're in that folder, you need to run this command, the chmod command. And once you chmod it, you don't want it to be accessed publicly. You just want to make sure that this is not being accessed publicly. So now you have a terminal here and you can actually execute. The reason why I'm doing this is because mobile STEM does not go for in Mac. So this is how you will do your own connection. Another way is for you to do, now if you want to open another terminal in Mac, you do a Command T. A Command T opens a new terminal. Command T opens a new terminal in Mac. And you can be asking, where is the other terminal? This is the other terminal, it's still here. If you look up, you see this terminal. If you want to go to this other one that I just opened, you do this and you're in this other terminal. You can open as many terminals here as you want and connect to different machines. So I just said, let me show you these things. You are a Mac user and you might want to know how to connect. Now, if I go back to this, to AWS, I told you that as part of, just follow this instruction here and you should be able to connect to your Mac. And this account is not authorized to use EC2 Sierra console. So this, while you're going with the free tier, so that's why there's some access I will not be able to get. So here we have the SSH client. I told you how to just connect, and the EC2 instance we could connect from on the web interface. Once you click on that, it connects automatically, and you can just do a sudo -i and you're ready or connecting us through. So thank you so much for making it up to this video. I hope that this video was useful, and if you face any difficulty, please drop a comment below so that I could help you out. Thank you so much.